everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a toilet with the Rubik's Twist. So it's going to start off with it was similar to a ball. So you're going to turn this back, take the next 2 blocks, turn it towards you, count 1 block, turn everything else towards you, and then count 1, 2, turn this block outwards like this. And then bring this block and this block inwards, like that. So what you're doing is you're turning this line and this line. So you turn them inwards towards each other. So they make a square. Now you get this one, use this piece and turn it down. And then we're just going to do kind of the same shape and over here. So we're going to turn this one to the right. And then we're going to turn this one down. And then we're going to turn this one so it matches with that one. Okay, so now we're going to turn this down again. And so hold it like this. Count 1, 2, turn this 2 times. 1 block, turn it 2 times. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then turn the 6th block 2 times. And turn the very last block 2 times. And then turn the last 2 blocks 2 times. Like this. And there you go, you now have a toilet. So if you stand it up like that, it looks like that. And you can't really see it from the side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you like it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.